Hi, I'm Greg Jameson, and today I want to demonstrate to you how you can use AI Studio to develop your very own app without ever writing a single line of code.
Let me show you how you can build an app using Google's AI Studio in just a matter of minutes simply by prompting. This is something that is fantastic for generating lead magnets. It's fantastic for actually creating small apps that you can use yourself or potentially even sell access to. Now, the way that you're going to use this is you're going to go to aistudio.google.com. And once you're there, you are going to select the build option. And all you have to do is describe an app and let Gemini do the rest, as it says. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a prompt in that is going to build us a travel suggestion guide based upon different things that we recommend. The first is going to be where we're starting from, then what kind of a budget range we have, the types of activities that we would choose when we go on vacation, and I've put some examples into my prompt, the length of the trip that we want, whether it's going to be a relaxing trip, adventure trip, luxury, cultural, whatever, the travel party, whether you're going by yourself, a couple, a family, or a group, and some optional inputs of the time of the year and the distance preference. And we say we basically want three different types of output: best match, a wild card, and an underrated option. And all we do is we press the build button. This goes through and actually builds the entire app for us just based upon that simple prompt. Now, you can build an app to do almost anything. It might be a game, it might be a quiz, it might be a suggestion tool like this. The first thing that it's going to do is it's going to ask you to select a style. And you can see that there are different styles that you can choose from. This one looks pretty good. Nice, vibrant palette. We'll just select this design. And then based upon that, it's going to finish building out the app. It writes all of the code for you and gives you a preview mode. While it's working, you can see the four little Google color dots bouncing up and down, and it will take a few minutes because it's actually writing a software program. So we can see that it wrote a number of files for us, which it shows on the left. You don't need to know the code behind this at all. It tells you what it's done, and here is the preview of the app. Let's give it a try. Let's say that I'm starting in Denver. And mid-range, sure, why not? Trip length, let's say that I just want a weekend adventure getaway for a couple, and this is going to be in the springtime. I like outdoor type of activities with photography and wildlife. Distance preference, yeah, from Denver, let's say under 3 hours. And we press the button, curate my adventure. Rocky Mountain National Park is close by. Glenwood Springs is always a fun option. Medicine Bow National Forest is an underrated option. That's actually really interesting. I think that there are some great things to do there. So that is how this program works. Now, if I want to share this with somebody, I can simply click on the share button and it gives me some options. Uh, Anyone with the link can view. I enter in an email address and copy the link, and I can simply share it. Now, the other thing that I can do is I can hit the publish button. The publish button allows me to actually make this be visible where anybody can utilize this particular program if I want to sell it or include it as a lead magnet or whatever. I do need to have API credentials set up when someone uses this. That is how you can build an app, and it takes only a few minutes. It doesn't require you to have any coding knowledge, and you can build all sorts of apps without knowing any code using AI Studio from Google.